Hi, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Melanie and I do videos on entrepreneurship, passive income, side hustles, how to make money, how to keep it, and how to basically grow your money. So I'm a financial analyst and I also have several side hustles. I want to talk to you about the 7 easiest side hustles to get into to make money right now. So like if you have a 9-to-5 or a part-time job and you need a little bit more income, these are some side hustles that you can start right away and make some money. So number 1 is eBay. You can sell your stuff on eBay, but going a little bit further, after you've sold everything that you want to get rid of, you can also thrift to buy those things and sell on eBay. And then also you can do retail arbitrage, which is a lot of people do it on Amazon, but you can also do it on eBay. And you can buy pallets from Amazon or Macy's or just any retail store. They have return pallets. And then if the items are still good, you can list them on your eBay store and then make money that way. So it's pretty much flipping, buying something for low and selling it for higher. So the next side hustle number 2, is drop shipping. A lot of people might say drop shipping is not, lucrative or it's not good, but you really have to know how to do it, and it's none of your upfront money. So when you think about a side hustle, it's something that you want to do without putting out your own money to do it. Drop shipping is just that. So drop shipping is a really good way to earn money quickly as a side hustle, and I'll put some links on how to do that and some other resources down in the description. Number 3. I have 2 side hustles that are listed in this kind of category for number 3. So number 3 would be DoorDash or Instacart, companies like that let you deliver their stuff and you make an hourly wage, or not an hourly wage, but you make a wage for each task or each delivery. And then Instacart is you shop for the groceries and you deliver them, and then you get a dollar amount from doing that task. So when I think about those 2, I think about, I'm going to grocery shop anyway. Everybody knows how to grocery shop. So if you have a couple of free hours, do the Instacart, or you can do the DoorDash and just make a couple of $100s a week. Number 4 is Fiverr. Fiverr or Upwork, websites like that let you do freelance work for other companies. So you could do proofreading, write articles for their website. You could edit. There are so many different jobs on Fiverr and on Upwork that you could freelance and do. Photography, all of these different things. So if there's something that you want to do and that you don't know how to do, you could take a course on how to do that and then jump into that field and then start making some money. So that is kind of a long-term thing. If you're like, oh, I want to be a photographer, I want to go on Fiverr and sell my photography skills, and you don't know how to do that, I would go on there and look at what's there and look at what you already know how to do if it's something quick that you want to get started with. So you already know how to proofread, market yourself for a proofreader, and then start doing freelance jobs that are in that category. Number 5 is social media marketing. So everybody has a social media account, but everybody might not know how to market, meaning building ads on Facebook, Google, and YouTube. So if you do know how to do that, social media marketing is really good because you can ask other companies to hire you to market whatever their product is on their social media. If you don't know how to do that, I will put some links down in the description box to show you how to do that and where to get started. But like I said, this video is side hustles that you can start right away. So if that's not something you know how to do right now, then I would try to do one of the other 6 that I'm gonna list in this video. All right, side hustle number 6 is to sell your items on Etsy. If you make things like bracelets or knit hats or little wooden stools, whatever, if you know how to make something that's handmade, made by you, you can open your own Etsy shop and sell those items on Etsy. So this is kind of like a semi-long-term thing because you do have to make the items and then post the items and then wait for a sale. So I wouldn't say, oh, this is something that you could get paid on Friday and at the end of the week and do. But Etsy is really lucrative and there's a lot of handmade items on Etsy. So I would keep that in the back of your mind if this is something that you want to do that is more long-term. So number 7 is the last one, and it is really different, and and it kind of caters to different cities, but it's really fun, which is do extra work. So what that means is put yourself on a casting website, and if you're in California or LA or Philly or places where a lot of film studios are, in Georgia, if you're in one of those places, then 9 times out of 10 there's going to be a movie shot there or a television show or something. So I would have myself on several different casting websites, and I would get called to do extra work on movies and different TV shows, and sometimes even like be an audience member for, you know, Judge Judy. I used to do that a lot. And you get paid pretty well. Like years ago, it was only maybe like $10 to $15 an hour if you were in the union, which is SAG or AFTRA. I'm in the union, so I would get paid that amount, but this was again like 10 years ago, and I'm pretty sure they're paying better now. That's something that you could do if you live in those states. That's something that's fun, and it's also flexible. That is gonna wrap it up for the video. I hope that these helped you. I will again put links down in the description below so that you can kind of go to those websites and then see which side hustle would be best for you. If you like content like this, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe and click the bell notification so that you are notified the next time I upload a video. I will see you guys next time. Bye.